There you go. Now
all right. Okay.
You're kind of pointed up, though.
Point it up.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Your head level?
Never. I always kind of cock this side. But all right.
Yeah, there you
Good to go? Awesome.
go. I think you're good to go.
All right. Okay. It's been very nice knowing all of you wonderful people. Let's do this. I'm good with that. You know, at that point in time, I'm not going to give a damn. Okay. Hello. All right. Where are Jeff and Sherry? Oh my God. Like, I can't even see them. Oh no, I see them. I see them. All right. There's Supergirl up there. Okay. Yeah, that's destination. A little closer now. We're getting there. Just wow. Hey! Long time no see, kid. How you faring? Huh? Yeah, I'm filming. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh yeah. That's all right. I can take still shots with this. Yeah. And oh, okay. Huh? Oh, I'm good. Oh yeah. Oh, grab me nose. There we go. Yeah, I'm recording. What are we looking for? Nothing. There's just somebody over there. Hi. I'm doing awesome. Oh, you lost your glasses? Bitter. Oh, well, that's not so bad. That's not so bad. Oh my God. That is right, woman. OMG. I think that's the first time I've ever actually said that phrase. It is, you know. Might just have to coin it. I want to go in there. Oh, hold on. Am I moving? Lights on. Go get your glasses. You can do it! Woohoo! And the way out. Oh, pretty good, man. How you doing? Oh, absolute blast. It's GoPro, yeah. Oh, I know. I love them. Do you think we can fit in that? Very cool. Oh, that echo. Yeah. All right. What's up? Yeah, heading back out. Oh, yes. Right? No, I missed it. Where? Oh yeah, I'm going up.
Oh, through here.
What?
Underneath.
Oh wow, I can see it.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I think it's good, but I've got to get our stable first. I'll find that handle or something.
Oh, okay. Just a little turnabout. Doesn't go any deeper, really. Oh, no doubt. The acoustics in here would be amazing. La 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 la. Ah, ah. We will see if you make that, because that was some tight stuffs. Well, that's all you get? Alright. Over here looks pretty good, though. This one? Okay.